In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your store name on Shopify. Whether you're rebranding, refining your niche, or just want something that fits your business better, updating your store name inside Shopify is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. First, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your usual details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main admin homepage where you normally see your orders, analytics, and various shortcuts. Now, direct your attention to the lower left-hand corner of the screen. There, you'll see the settings option. It's usually represented with a small gear icon. Click on settings to open up the main settings area for your store. Inside settings, you'll typically land on the general or store details section, depending on how your Shopify view is laid out. What you're looking for is a card or box near the top labeled store details. This area contains important information about your store, like your current store name, your store email, and your store phone. Take a moment to locate that section. When you hover your mouse over the area that shows your current store name, you'll notice a small pencil icon appear on the right-hand side. That pencil icon is your edit button. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as you click the pencil, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This pop-up allows you to edit your store name, as well as your store email and store phone if you need to update those two. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the store name. Click into the field that shows your current store name and type in the new name you want to use. Take a second to double check the spelling and capitalization, because this is how your name will appear throughout your Shopify admin and in some customer-facing areas, depending on your theme and settings. If you are also changing your branding, this can be a good time to make sure your email and phone details are up to date, but you don't have to touch them if they're already correct. Once you're happy with your new store name, look to the bottom right of the pop-up window and click Save. Shopify will process the change, and your new store name should now appear in the store details section and across your admin dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully changed your store name on Shopify.